Your confidence isn't disappearing. You're leaking it every single day because of a tiny habit you don't notice, but it notices you, silently rewiring your identity. Most people think confidence dies in one big moment, a failure, a rejection, a mistake, but no, it dies in micro moments, invisible, silent cuts, like a bucket with a hidden hole. Your self-belief keeps draining no matter how much motivation you pour in. And you wonder why you feel smaller, why others seem bolder, why you never feel ready. And the reason is one habit your brain built to protect you, but now it traps you, a quiet cage you never noticed. The silent confidence killer, self-judgment in real time. You judge yourself before you act, while you act, and after you act, a non-stop commentary telling you don't mess up. That sounded stupid. They're judging you. You can't do this. Your brain shows you flaws, not potential, because your brain has two systems. A builder that grows and explores, and a guard that hides and protects, and self-judgment forces the guard to take over, play small equals stay safe, so the guard blocks your builder, shutting down risk, expression, and confidence. Confidence grows not when you succeed, but when you try, and the guard stops the trying. That's how this tiny habit steals your power without you noticing. But now you're going to break it, because when clarity appears, your mind lights up and the next step becomes obvious. The shift starts inside. You peel away old labels and a new identity begins to form. Identity becomes the engine of everything. And once it turns, momentum becomes effortless. Tiny wins stack, and tiny wins build. Confidence. That's the identity loop. Identity shapes actions, actions shape results. Results rewrite identity, motivation fades, but identity stays. So here's the transformation path. Step 1, awareness. Spot the loops that keep you stuck. Step 2, replace. Choose who you want to become and act like that version today. Step 3, reinforce. Give yourself daily proof through tiny, consistent actions. Repetition rewires your brain. Behavior becomes identity, and identity becomes destiny. This collapses the distance between who you are and who you want to be. Fear loses power. Clarity rises. Direction becomes obvious. Momentum builds fast. Identity locks in place, and the old you stops returning because you don't rise to goals. You fall to systems, and identity is the system behind all systems. The switch flips the moment you decide, not tomorrow, today, right now. Choose the identity that matches your future. Lift your face toward who you can become. A spark of confidence appears. Your inner critic grows quieter. Your real voice returns, and a belief forms. Maybe you can change. Identity doesn't shift with force. It shifts with tiny nudges. One small nudge a day becomes unstoppable momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds identity. And identity builds a new life. One small step is enough. One tiny win starts the chain. Chains become identity. Identity becomes stable, and your inner critic goes silent, replaced with a voice saying you're growing. Growth feels like light returning. Your real self rising from under the rubble. This is strength, quiet and steady. Real power isn't loud. It's consistent. Consistency beats talent every time. Start with one tiny step today. The shift begins the moment you show up. Show up for yourself. Show up again. Tomorrow, repeat until your old self disappears, because that old self wasn't you. This version is your life. Opens from here. Keep walking, one steady step at a time. You'll grow faster than you think. You're not broken. You were never broken. You were just hidden beneath your habits. Now you're revealing who you truly are. Take your tiny step today, right now, before your brain talks you out of it. And if this helped you, subscribe for more videos like this. Your future self will thank you.